Welcome back to 504 Road Trips. Today we continue our trip north on US Highway 11 in Columbia County, Pennsylvania, beginning at mile 153 as we enter the borough of Berwick. US 11 is called Front Street through Berwick and beyond. Berwick is one of the principal cities of the Bloomsburg-Berwick metropolitan area, which has a population of approximately 85,000. The metro includes all of Columbia and Montour counties. The borough itself had an estimated population of 10,349 as of 2021. Berwick, founded by Evan Owen, a Welsh Quaker and surveyor, pays homage to its English counterpart, Berwick-upon-Tweed. Its history dates back to 1769, when the borough was first settled, formally founded in 1786 and later incorporated in 1818. Over the years, Berwick has become synonymous with both light and heavy manufacturing industries. Notable companies like the American Car and Foundry Company and Wise Potato Chips have thrived in the area, contributing to the local economy and deployment opportunities. In addition to its industrial prowess, Berwick boasts a strong sporting culture, particularly in high school football. The Bulldogs, the local team, have clinched 6 state championships and 3 national titles. Moreover, Berwick's baseball team secured its first ever state championship in 2008, enhancing the town's athletic reputation. A beloved tradition in Berwick is the annual Christmas Boulevard, initiated by the Jaycees in 1947. This festive spectacle spans over a mile along Market Street, dazzling visitors with its vibrant light displays. Santa Claus himself makes an appearance, distributing the town's famous Wise potato chips to delighted onlookers. The Berwick Christmas Boulevard has become a cherished regional tradition, attracting thousands of visitors each year for over 6 decades. Here at Orange Street, we pick up a concurrency with State Route 93. Meanwhile, just ahead, US 11 splits up into a one-way pair, with northbound traffic continuing along West Front Street and southbound traffic a block over on West 2nd Street. At the split, the left branch appears to be two-way, however that is just to facilitate left turns onto LaSalle Street. At Market Street, which is the borough's main north-south street, State Route 93 turns right to cross the Susquehanna River to the borough of Nescopec. This is also where the street prefixes switch from west to east. At Walnut Street, the two halves of US 11 come back together and we have two-way traffic again. This is where we enter Luzerne County and the unincorporated community of East Berwick, which had a population of 2,042 as of the 2020 census. The houses and buildings on the right will give way to vegetation and riverbank. The homes on the left quickly transition to a more rural feel, with large yards and second stories that overlook the river. As we leave East Berwick, the local name of US-11 becomes Salem Boulevard, named for the township we're in. The population of Luzerne County was 325,594 as of the 2020 census, making it the most populous county in northeast Pennsylvania. Wilkes-Barre is the county seat, but since it's on the other side of the Susquehanna, we won't actually be passing through it. The county gained prominence in the 19th and 20th centuries as an active anthracite coal mining region. This brings to mind the famous ghost town of Centralia, which was all but consumed by an underground coal mine fire beginning in the early 1960s and still burning today. Centralia is about 15 miles to the south in Columbia County. Back in Luzerne County, the closure of numerous factories and coal mines mirrored the economic decline experienced by many areas in the Rust Belt. The Knox mine disaster dealt a devastating blow to the coal mining industry. On January 22, 1959, the River Slope mine in Port Griffith suffered a catastrophic breach, with the Susquehanna River breaking through. 12 lives were lost in the disaster. In the aftermath of this tragedy, the repercussions were profound. Two of the region's largest coal companies made the decision to completely withdraw from the anthracite business. This abrupt shift resulted in the loss of thousands of jobs and dealt a severe blow to the local economy. Despite efforts to revitalize the industry, the mining sector in Luzerne County never fully recovered from the devastating impact of the Knox mine disaster. This led to population loss and urban decay throughout the county. However, in more recent times, there has been a notable shift. The economy has begun to show signs of moderate growth, with warehousing emerging as the primary industry, replacing manufacturing. This transition reflects broader trends seen in many post-industrial regions where traditional manufacturing gives way to sectors such as logistics and distribution. We're now in the unincorporated community of Beach Haven, which has had a post office since 1844. The community is named not for its sandy beaches on the ocean, which don't exist, but took its name from Nathan Beach, its founder. Beach acquired the property from descendants of William Penn in the late 1700s, laying the groundwork for the establishment of the community that would bear his name. We conclude today's video at mile 161. Thanks for watching. We've enabled channel memberships, so for as little as $1 a month, you too can help support our channel and get early access to our regular videos, as well as the occasional members-only video. Click the link in the description to join. If you like this video, please give us a thumbs up, post a comment, subscribe, share and follow us on social media, and join us for our next 504 road trip.